Hey guys, it's Crimson Cloud, leader of the boss crew, and today we're showing you how to make Rolled Rollada from Jojo's Bizarre Adventures. It's the attack used by Dio in the battle between Jojo and Dio. Just wanted to say that, and now let's get right into the showcase. I forgot I... Test 4. Add E. Name equals saddle. Execute at E. Tag E. You have to do /tag at P, add BB. That was an accident. Tag, okay, execute at E, tag equal BB. Okay, then just tilde, TP space, at E, at E, tag, then, no, just pause the video, I don't feel like saying every command. Pause the video now. And pause the video now. If you want to see this, pause the video now. You don't need to pause the video every time, just do it as long. Each time this command is activated, it moves up 20 ticks, aka 1 second. 1 second in tick time is 20 ticks. And why is this person asking me? And that person just really spammed me 3 times. I don't want to play right now, dude. I'm not playing Jojo Minecraft right now, I'm making a video. Jojo. Really, Jojo. It's not funny anymore. It was never funny. Okay, so... Oh yeah, the last one is Fatal Poison. So then you can make sure to get the roll data. No! Okay, now both... Okay, thank you, Dio, for telling Jojo to Staffu. Okay. Okay. What's the problem with you? It's starting to become irritating. Oh my god. Okay, just pause. I'm almost ready. This is the problem with having a Discord-like chat on Xbox. They can interrupt videos. I was ready to grab some random things. I'm gonna move ahead in my own recording. Okay. Road! Went a little bit too far ahead. Basically, it's a pretty powerful attack. It's showing me for my Jojo Bizarre Minecraft soon. I had a link to the Discord down in the description below. There you'll get updates if you want to join Jojo Minecraft, and my Xbox account if you want to play is Crimson Wolf 1446. Road! Oh yeah, the reason why it's taking damage. This is why there's a problem with that. Road. Yeah, it's a pretty powerful attack. It's going to be added to. Basically, I have like, Star Platinum and the World have two other variations. Um, Star Platinum is evolves into Star Platinum the World, and then the World's evolves into Joe Star Bloodline. Basically, when he sucks, the Joe Star Blood from Joseph, and then they both evolve into their Overheaven states, which is from the game on the PS4, Eyes of Heaven. Oh yeah. Um, I guess that's the end of the video. So have a great day, and have a. Actually, never mind. It's not over yet. Road, da da da. Oh yeah, my road will have a cooldown instead of it being spammable like this OP mess, where you can just spam it. Road, roll, da 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 da. Know what? I just think I'd say before I end this video, have a great day and a great life. Now roll, da da da, all over the subscribe button or the like button. Just do both, please. Have a great day and a great life. Goodbye.